मिनिस्टर ऑफ स्टेट फॉर कल्चर एंड टूरिज्म मिस्टर महेश शर्मा हमारे साथ मौजूद होने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. प्लीज आप कुछ कहिए.
Thank you, Varun, for the simplicity and humility you have shown, that he didn't do anything but it happened. Otherwise, people take credit of what they have not done. And he is not shirking his responsibility, but giving credit to all his team leaders. And that's what is of a happening of a good leader. He gives credit for his team members, and that should be the spirit. And that's why he has taken TV9 to that height. That is, we see watching when it comes at number 1. So, कोई कहते हैं ना, कोई ऐसे ही TV9 तो वहाँ ऊंचाई तक नहीं पहुँच जाता, कुछ तो हस्ती होगी कि मिटती नहीं हमारी. Good of TV9 team and Varun ji and the team leader. Good of ज्योति जी, अप्रतिम जी, ज्योत्सना जी, अमित जी. ज्योत्सना जी कहाँ हैं? ज्योत्सना सूरी जी, my teacher. When I became minister, where is she? She's around. So congratulations for this event. I have the privilege of being the tourism and culture minister under leadership of the great Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, who understood the importance of this. I was a doctor, and he gave me 3 ministries: the tourism, culture, and civil aviation. Civil aviation team, I can see a lot of people over here. So when I asked Prime Minister that what is, आप हमारे को लिए ऊपर आइए, आइए.
Come, ज्योति जी, please come. रक्तिम, अमित, come.
आओ ऊपर आओ. और ज्योत्सना जी को भी बुलाओ, भाई कहाँ है? ढूंढ के लाओ.
अमित, come.
और अगर ना मिले तो खोया पाया, कुंभ की तरह खोया पाया काउंटर पे बता दो कि ज्योत्सना जी इज मिसिंग. तो जब मैंने पीएम से पूछा कि सर क्या सोच के एक डॉक्टर को आपने ये टूरिज्म कल्चर मिनिस्ट्री दे दी और सिविल एविएशन दे दिया, तो व्हाट वाज द थीम बिहाइंड वाज दैट इंडिया हैज गॉट ए रिच कल्चर एंड दैट इज इट्स स्ट्रेंथ. हाउ टू कैरी द एसेंस ऑफ दैट रिच कल्चर via mode of tourism and giving wings of aviation to the corners of the world. अगर एविएशन नहीं हो तो ये टूरिज्म कल्चर यहीं दिल्ली का ही बन के रह जाएगा. अगर हमें इसे वर्ल्ड के कोने में ले जाना है, सो आर टीम फ्रॉम सिविल एविएशन, द इजिप्ट एयर्स एंड ऑल दोज इंडिगोज, all those airlines people gathered over here, I think they are important. And thanks to TV9 team and Varun ji for making this event happen. So there is something big behind this. Indian tourism industry comes to the tune of 6.82% of GDP of India. And I being a doctor, I am concerned about the medical tourism also. Medical tourism growth in India has been 25% against normal tourism growth, which has been only about 6 to 10%, where India also proceeded with 9% growth after this Modi's government. So we can very well imagine what can be the importance of such organizing such shows and B2B meetings. And future of India is great. Future India will be the leader, is the leader, and now we have a leader. So I think I must congratulate all the participants, and the outcome of this organization show will be fruitful. My good wishes and good luck to all and everybody. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Mahesh Sharma, MP from Noida and former Minister for Culture and Tourism. Thank you so much for being with us, taking time out of this. And quickly, I'm going to ask Jyotirmaya, CEO of Red Hat Communications and a true representative of India's travel and tourism sector, to please say a few words.
Thank you so much. First of all, I'd like everyone to applaud for Dr. Sharma. Let's have a loud applause for him. I have worked very closely with him when I was the president of the Travel Agents Association of India, and for not a small time, but a much longer time. And I've seen him work and seen him talk about tourism culture. Besides being a doctor, I think tourism is in his blood. And we are going to drive him back somehow to see how he's going to work more for our industry. And that says a lot for this industry. And each and every exhibitor here, thank you all for being here, because It's all about synergy and coordination, and that's what he taught us. And thank you, TV9, for partnering with Red Hat to take this forward. I'm also going to say one loud applause for yourselves, but that's very important. That's the way India is going to prosper to become the third largest economy in this world. Let's have a loud applause for yourselves. 3 cheers for Red Hat and TV9, and 3 cheers for World Travel and Tourism Festival. We are going to outshine and become a festival of colors, culture, and everything included in the part of tourism for this growth. Thank you so much.
All right, and with that, we wrap up the inauguration. Thank you so
very
much,
much.
Barun ji. Thank you so much, Mahesh Sharma ji, and of course, Jyotirmaya ji and Raktim for being with us here.